welcome back to my kitchen. So in today's video I'm going to share with you a delicious orange and cardamom chicken. It's absolutely delicious. I've got all of that ready to go. It's very basic ingredients, very minimal ingredients. You don't need a whole lot of stuff, but it is so flavorful, and the cardamom paired with the orange is just absolutely delicious. So I've got all that ready. I've got my oven preheated to 425 degrees. I've also got a sheet tray lined with parchment and an oven safe rack on top. So I think everything is ready to go. Let's get started. Okay guys, like I said, it is very minimal, very basic ingredients. You should have all these on hand. If not, they're not expensive to buy. I've got some salt and pepper here. I've got a little bit of orange juice and a little bit of orange zest. About the juice of one orange and the zest of half of an orange. You can do more or less. I've got some garlic and some thyme, butter, cardamom, and my chicken. Now the only thing that I did to the chicken was I just let it thaw, rinsed it really well, and patted it dry on both sides. And you're also going to need some olive oil. So I'm going to set these aside and we'll get started on our butter mixture. Okay guys, for our butter mixture, I've just got just a little bit of butter here, and it's at room temperature. You want it at room temperature so that way you can mix everything together. Just give this a little whip here just to get a little bit more softened. Now we're going to add in about half of a teaspoon of cardamom. So if you've never cooked with cardamom before, it's very fragrant. It's got like a citrusy type scent to it. It smells really good and it pairs really well with orange. So I've got my orange juice and my zest in here, my garlic and my thyme. Put that right in there. And you're also going to need a little bit of salt and pepper, and this is just to help flavor the inside of the chicken. And then all you're going to do is carefully mix this together. It's going to take it a minute for it to get fully combined. Just be patient and work with it and you'll get there. Okay guys, so I've got my butter mixture all mixed well here. Now if your butter's a little bit cold still, you can pop it in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds and it should come together. Now it's going to look a little bit clumpy or curdled, but that's fine. It's going to melt into the chicken. So it's going to be watery too, so that's good. Now we'll bring in our chicken. Now what you want to do to the chicken is just separate the skin from the meat of the chicken and just add in your sauce. You can add as much or as little as you want. So I'm going to go ahead and do this and put these on a sheet tray, and then I'll meet you right back here. Okay guys, so I've got all of the butter in there and some of it has oozed out a little bit. That's fine. It's gonna happen. Don't freak out about that. It's just gonna coat the chicken and make it nice and beautiful. So now all I'm gonna do is just lightly coat the outside with a little bit of olive oil. This is just gonna help the skin crisp up very nicely in the oven. Then we're just going to season the top with a little bit of salt and pepper, and this is going to make the outside of the chicken very flavorful. Okay, some pepper. You can do as much or as little pepper as you want. I kind of go in between. We want that skin to be very flavorful. So all I'm going to do now is pop this in the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes, or until the chicken is completely cooked through. The thermometer should read about 165 to 170 degrees. Just keep an eye on it, and I'll meet you back here, show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, so I've got the chicken out of the oven. I've got it plated up. I've just got it with some tomatoes here, and we can't wait to dig in. So that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and you can always find my recipes in the description box down below. It's a little link. You just click that link, it takes you right to my website. You can also find it in the comment section as well. I always put the time codes for the videos in the description box as well, so it'll help you navigate through the video on where you want to go. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna go dig in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.